Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from iSON Experiences. They have openings for telecaller positions. So you must know the languages like Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam, and there would be only day shift. And for this position, both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible to apply, and there would be salary and attractive incentives. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can directly walk in interview on the given address, like it would be Chennai Perungadi, and also you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.